Hello everyone, my name is Andrea from Tectwin. I'm here to introduce XG Design. First, I would like to start from the motivation for XG Design. And we all know how important it is to make right decisions at the right time when it's about designing and planning a network. So with this motivation, we developed this tool. But what is XG Design? XG Design is an AI approach for digital run design embedded into our app. We put together AI models and a deterministic ray tracing simulation to overcome the low accuracy of stochastic design tools. There are multiple benefits to this kind of product, but here we list a few of them. For example, we're able to automate the network design based on predefined use cases that the user can also change and play with. These simulations that we mentioned are very, very accurate. And we managed to achieve for a public network and different private networks less than 1 dB of accuracy. This accuracy allows for first-time right simulations and prevents from having to do multiple changes within the network, allowing for huge save cost and a much better improvement in your network. Everything is integrated into the Ericsson ecosystem, so the tool pulls the data from the SMO to create the network automatically from the configuration management, and looking at the performance management suggests possible solutions based on the use case that we are interested in. So how do we actually achieve this? We have different layers that come in together. The first thing for us is the creation of the maps and the 3D digital twin. We take pictures from drones, planes, or satellite imagery, and we combine them to create a 3D model. From the same pictures, we are also able to extract materials that then are mapped to the 3D model itself. And this is very important because, as we all know, for 5G and 3 gigahertz radio simulations, the material are crucial for the outcome of the simulation. Once the 3D model is created, then, as I mentioned before, we pull the CM data from the Ericsson ecosystem, and the network is simulated automatically. Based on the different use cases that the user might want to explore, the tool suggests different things. For example, it could optimize the current network configurations or propose a new antenna deployment with the correct power settings and the correct orientations. Everything is fully automated, so there's no need for a user to having to change the orientation of the antenna, for example, or to play manually with the network. And the tool spits directly the impact metrics of the simulation. It gives you a benefit that you would get from such a thing. And this goes into a feedback loop. So if the user accepts the changes that are provided by the tool, then the network automatically updates, and pulling new performance data, you can verify whether or not the thing that the tool provided make a good impact to the simulation, to the network or not. So this is how we did things. We mentioned that the user can pick between different use cases for their network to optimize. Here we list a few of them, but also the user is free to play with what are the things that you would like to play with and what are the things that you would like to optimize. For example, as I mentioned, we can find a new configuration for an existing site, like changing the power setting or modifying the orientation. We could predict what the fixed wireless access performance would be with the given configuration that we have, or in general to test a new feature that we might want to deploy in the network. On top of this, we might be interested into a densification of our network, and the tool is going to be able to tell you where you should place your ideal antenna to have the biggest impact, positive impact on your network. This tool is able to simulate for both indoor, outdoor, private network, and public network, so it's very versatile, and there's no need to restrict to one specific category. So these are the use cases, and as you can imagine, there are different benefits that come out of it. There's a capital optimization, a total cost of ownership improvement, and a higher return of investment on the things that you do on the network because you don't have to test multiple times. And this also comes with the biggest quality of service improvement and enhanced customer experience. So this is everything about the EIAP app. You can, of course, find us in the Ericsson webpage and on the webpage of our partners. Thank you.